My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware called Adlg. Adlg is a new ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. It encrypts files and then adds this Adlg extension to them. As a result, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The files get totally damaged and encrypted. The ransomware is called Adlg because it encrypts files and then appends this Adlg extension to them. Typically, intrusion of this adware is the ransomware is the result of poor protection of the computer by the existing security program. And then, if the computer is vulnerable before ransomware attacks, this Adlg ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Adlg extension. The same applies to all other files. So this Adlg ransomware then tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But to pay the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file recovery. I recommend that you remove this Adlg ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program after you download it, and start researching your system. The program will be in the trial mode initially, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Then the scanning will begin, and while the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is a part of the premium license only. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the system. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.